you can really tell when somebody is thinking about the thing versus doing the thing. I've spent most of my career preparing instead of doing because I wanted to get everything perfect. Ultimately, there are a million things we can do to make us feel like we're getting ready to do the thing that feel productive. You can write something down, you can do some research, you can do all sorts of preparation, but none of those are actually doing the thing. That has consistently led to me taking significantly longer to get things done. And often it means that I end up still making something that I think could be better, but it took me 3 months to make it instead of having made one a day for 3 months and getting all the progress of getting those reps in. I just saw a video yesterday that I posted on Twitter. It was a comparison of Blue Ivy dancing on the first night of the tour and on the last night of the tour. And it was so night and day different how much she had improved from day one to the closing of the tour. It just really drove home this idea to me that if you want to get better at something, no amount of preparation is going to replace just doing the thing. So I think what I'm realizing and what I'm trying to challenge myself to do is I'm just going to do the thing. You know, there's this concept that Joel Hooks and Alex Hillman and several other folks have talked about. It's JFDI, just fucking do it. And like, if I want to get better at making videos, I need to make videos, and I need to not like some of the videos that I make so that I can see what I didn't like and then improve that going forward. And I catch myself a lot not wanting to do the thing because I don't feel like I'm ready yet. And then I get grumpy when I see somebody else doing something that's similar to what I want to do. And I watch it and I think to myself, that's not as good as I would have done it. But then I don't do it. And I wait and I prep and I think, and then they do more. And I'm grumpy again. I'm like, that's not as good as I would have done it. And a year later, they're making something that I'm watching and saying, wow, that's better than I could have done it. I'm very productivity driven, but I make a lot of mistakes in my productivity where I allow myself to count preparation as productivity. Like, if I want to make a video, then watching a bunch of videos that follow the format that I want to make, I count that as research. I will write a script and count that as progress. And each of those things is maybe necessary, but ultimately it's not making a video. So if I want to do the thing, if I have a goal and my goal is to do a thing, anything that's not actually doing that thing, even if I'm preparing to do the thing, I'm not making progress. And that to me is a hard lesson to internalize, because I always think, well, I need a script. I need to prepare. I need to build this set. I need to have a studio. I need to have a better camera, or whatever the thing is. And if I'm building an app, it's the same way. Oh, I need to learn about this tool. Oh, I need a beta access to this thing, whatever it is. And I'll say that as a way for me to tinker for 3 or 4 days instead of doing the thing. So this is a reminder to me. Hopefully it's a reminder to you that if there's a thing that you want to do, just do the thing.